Hello, this is Mr. Willie, your riggerman. Last week we have one for you, and before I even go into last week, the season have come to an end. And today is the last day we're going to put up all these things. But last week we have a rigger for you. Send boy go call doctor. Doctor come before boy. Who am I? And the answer was water coconut, jelly. Alright, the answer was water coconut. Let's get into this. Rigger me this, rigger me that. Guess me this rigger and perhaps that. I have 2N and no start. Who am I? I have 2N and no start. Who am I? Figure out that one for yourself. All these things was passed down to me by my ancestors, so I have 2N but no start. Alright? Figure out that one for yourself. Alright? So listen to me. This is the last day we're going to have this rigger thing, and we're going to start a brand new season sometime next year. So this is your boy Mr. Willie, the rigger man. I'm giving you all these things, so refresh up your mind on some of these things that I give you and see if you remember them, if your parents or your grandparents did taught you some of these things. So anyway, now watch nothing, This is Mr. Willie. Until next season, I see you. Or maybe even sometime I come back on with some different things. So, look out for me. I'm here, you can refresh your memory. Alright, go on YouTube and see the thing. So this is your boy Mr. Willie. Until then, next time I will talk to you. Next season going to be a brand new thing, different rigor. Maybe I come with something different. So who knows, So take care and bye bye for now. And I see you next time. Peace.